Hey queens, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite Jamafrican queen. Today we are getting into this Unice unit that I received from them. I want to thank them so much for partnering with me and sending me this wig. I cannot wait to show you guys how to install a 4x4 180 density 24-inch wig. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay, so let's start off with the gifts before we get into the actual install. So this is the box that it was sent in. When you open the box, of course the unit is going to be in there. It's going to come with this lace band. You need these wig bands. This is what's going to keep your lace nice and flawless and fresh every single day. But since we're dealing with glueless, we don't need them right now. It also came with an extra one, so I have two. And then we got some lashes. And then they also gave us two of these wig caps, and these are the good ones, so definitely get these. These are the ones that are like invisible, basically. It also comes with this brush, so if you do need to apply makeup to your lace just to help it blend in, you would use this brush. And I love the fact that you can just kind of like hide it and then expose it. Hide it, expose it, you know the vibes. And then it also comes with just some instructions on how to take care of your wig. And the best part about it is you get a free robe. And then it also has their little name on it. So purchasing this wig also comes with a plethora of free gifts, so don't sleep on that. Okay, so this is a 4x4, so that means that it's 4 inches across and 4 inches as in depth. And then it does come with an adjustable band, as you can see here. So this is what's going to help you keep your glueless wig secure. And then it comes with a comb in the back, and then there's 2 combs on the side. I personally don't like the combs on the side just because it grips my hair and it hurts, but to each its own. It'll help you keep the unit secure. I did pre-pluck it, so this is a pre-cut lace. So you don't have to do too much cutting, but you just need to cut it to your head size. But love the fact about this, I did pre-pluck, so you can see that it is kind of plucked. So in order to put this on, this is a very like grab and go. I absolutely loved using this wig this week because I had to work, and yeah. So you're just gonna take the band and you're going to put it here. Hopefully that didn't wipe my eyebrows off. Okay, good. And then you're just gonna adjust it. And as you can see, you can still kind of see the lace. This is what I'm talking about as far as like you're gonna need to cut this to blend in more with your skin. So I already started styling this. I personally like to style off of my head, and I think that's the luxury of using a glueless wig, is you can really just style this off of your head and then just put it on your head. And in case your arms get tired, because that's something that I struggle with, my arms get super, super tired. So since this is just a style and go, I'm gonna go ahead and put my little glove on. And at first I wasn't using the glove, but then I burned myself earlier while trying to do this, so glove it is. And I'm gonna wand curl. I typically don't do wand curls, but today we're gonna do wand curls. They were starting to look super cute whenever I was doing them in the beginning, so I wanna try them again. And you're just gonna wrap it around the barrel and then kind of let it hold for like 30 seconds. I don't know if you guys have seen this one on TikTok, but apparently it's what the hairstyle, look at that. Apparently it's what the hairstylist girlies be using. So we're gonna try it, see how long it holds the curls, and we'll see. I don't ever really just give my head a break from wearing wigs because my skin is always super damaged. So the perimeter of my skin is always really damaged and dry because I'm constantly using glue. And the glue is drying it out, which is causing it to be harder for me to not wear wigs. So a glueless wig is a really good option if you're just looking to, of course, grab and go, but another good option if you want to be able to oil your scalp. This week I had the luxury of not having to wear a wig to bed, and I also got to oil my scalp. Another thing that I noticed is that the skin where my edges are, it's actually peeling because it's super dry. And whenever I apply makeup to that skin, whenever I'm not wearing a wig, you can clearly see that there's a differentiation from where I place my wigs versus my regular skin, because that skin is so dry and it's so patchy that I can't even just not wear wigs right now. So wearing a glueless wig is a great option just in case you are struggling with that, so that way you can kind of heal that skin. Let's just talk about the quality of the wig in general. The quality of the wig is actually really good. A few things that I really do like about it is that the lace is actually HD. So it is an HD lace and you won't really have any issues with it blending into your skin. You just need to make sure that you cut off enough of the excess lace so that it's not showing. But other than that, it blends pretty well. And you'll see here in a little bit whenever I blend it. As you can see, the hair holds a curl very, very well. And that's another thing that I like about it, because a lot of these wigs that I do buy from other hair companies, the wigs just don't hold a curl, or the volume just doesn't match what they listed online. And I feel like this does feel like 180 density. I feel like the length was perfect, so it was 24 inches. Here's a few tips and tricks that just really helped me be able to wear this. One, you need to plug it. I know they say this is grab and go. This is not grab and go out of the box. I'm sorry. It's just not. It was giving wig. And we don't want it to give wig. We want it to give like, oh, okay, she got her hair done. We want it to give looks like your hair, but better. And you're gonna have to do some intense plucking. Like, I know this is a 4x4, but I had to pluck a lot of hair out of this lace. I just feel like it's a really great affordable option for people who just need something to, of course, grab and go. What grab and go looked like for me this week was, so I work from home, and whenever I had a video conference or any type of meeting with anybody, I could just like throw it on. Like it was the best thing ever. And then when I didn't have anything, I could just take it off, and I just walked around like a bald head baby chicken all day. Like it was really nice. I also had a chance to kind of like pay attention to my scalp area, or my edges area, so I was able to kind of like heal that. I use this CeraVe healing ointment at night and in the morning whenever I finish getting out of the shower, and I just wipe some of that on there just to kind of like add some moisture, and it's been doing pretty well. But you can still tell that the skin barrier is very much so damaged from all of the toxic glue. And if I need to check to make sure the back is done, I'll just take it off and I'll look. So it looks like I've got everything in the back. I'm ready to pull up with you. I'm ready to do what I do. Tell me what you wanna do. Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof. Look it up and do the move. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up with you. I'm ready to do what I do. Ooh, this definitely how you want it. That's when it gets to the island. Flip, flip, flip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, light it. Don't hesitate when you... Okay, so now that we're done with the curling part of it, and of course we're gonna fix this as a style. So as you can see, the back, the curls are a little bit, they've fallen, but they've fallen in a good way. This will do the same, but we'll get there. Okay, so tell me why I had to take my whole wig off, which didn't take me long. But I needed to do a side part because I feel like I may have messed up the lace doing the most. So I turned it into a side part. Okay. And it got a little messy while we were doing that, so I'm gonna add some more bar soap. I'm gonna go put my clothes on and we're gonna see like what she looks like just in her element, you know what I mean? And this is how she turned out. I feel like she turned out really well. This is the back. This looks good. This looks good. Yeah, I think the wand curls turned out really well. I like the side part aspect of it. I think the middle part just wasn't going with it. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to purchase this exact unit, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.